students, now we will learn how to draw the involute of a regular pentagon of side 80 millimeter unbound for one complete turn. So first we will draw the pentagon of side 80 millimeter. Then we will see the procedure for constructing the involute for unbinding for one complete revolution. So first I will draw the polygon. Okay, select the polygon command. Number of sides 5. Enter. Edge method I am choosing. Click randomly on the screen. Before that, enable the ortho mode on. Already ortho mode on is there. Now enter the size as 80 millimeter. Okay. Now I am moving the polygon little bit downwards for construction purpose. Okay. Next, I will give the edge naming to the polygon. Okay, using text, text, justify here, and point text height is 5 mm. Then text rotation angle is 0. Enter. So I am giving the name A. Anti-clockwise direction B, C, D and E. Enter. Before that, we will explode the given pentagon. So I apply the command explode, select the pentagon, enter. Now each segment of the pentagon is separate. Okay, each edge is now separate. Now select the edge AE, come to the bottom corner, bottom A edge. So two options will come, stretch and lengthen. Select the lengthen option, and the lengthen is 80 mm is the edge length. I am selecting 80 mm. Enter. Then now construct the arc. Okay, so to construct the arc you require 3 points. So now this is the start point of the arc. A is the center point and B is the end point. Okay, so now the arc is completed. Okay, so here what we are doing is we are unbinding the part AB edge. We are unbinding, keeping A is the center and unbinding the thread. Assume the periphery of the pentagon is wound by a thread. Okay, so we are holding our finger in point A and cut the string in point B and unwinding so that it will trace the path. So it is nothing but the segment of a circle. Okay, next we have to unwind the portion E, A and the end of the line. Okay, so this is the radius of the circle and E is the center point. We have to unbound. Okay, for that I will select the edge ED and extend lengthen for the distance of 2 times the 80 millimeter. 160 millimeter is a now radius for the arc. String length is now 2 times the edge length. Now I will construct the arc. So start point and E is the center point and this is my end point. Okay, so each edge you are unwinding, then the radius is increasing by a side length of a polygon. Okay, now this portion is unbound. For next portion, okay, so from CD, okay, CD you lengthen it. Now 3 times the edge length, 3 into 80, 240. Okay, 240. I am reducing the size, zoom in. Now I will construct the arc. Now the radius of the arc, this is the radius of the arc E. Okay, from E is the center point and this is the end point. This is the start point. Construct the arc, start point, center point and end point. Start point, center point and end point. Okay, same thing we are repeating. And now BC is the edge length through which we have to draw the line, and select that edge C at the point C locate your mouse cursor, lengthen it, select the option lengthen. How much distance? Now 4 times the edge length, 4 into 8, 320 millimeter. Okay, then this is the radius of the circle. Arc starts center, start point, center point and end point. Okay, now last segment AB. Okay, from AB select point B, lengthen it. Now 5 times the edge length, 80, 5 into 80, 400 millimeter, enter. Now draw the arc, start point, center point and end point. Okay, now so this whatever the segments of the arc, you select it and join the command. Okay, use the join command, join all the arcs whatever you constructed, join. Okay, now the segment of the arc is joined together and increase the line thickness. Change the color. This is your required involute of the regular pentagon. So here what we are doing is, the periphery, a thread is wound. This thread we are unwinding for one complete rotation, complete turn. Okay, so whenever you are unwinding, the point is tracing this involute profile. Now we will do the annotation, linear. So aligned option we will select aligned, and I will dimension the edge size. Okay, so 80 mm is the edge size. So this is your required involute profile, students. Thank you.